quick.
Make a vibe to this.
Ja.
Ja, hoeft niet.
Wel of niet?
Nee, ik weet dat niet. Je moet al wat vlug komen.
Ja, die is goed hè.
Yo,
Lekker heet.
hi guys. Yesterday, Jeroen and I forged the whole day long making this piece of damascus. We started with 14 layers of lawnmower blade mixed with 15 and 20. The first forge weld went okay, but then we stretched it out. We wanted to fold it over, wanted to try it hot, because last time I did everything cold and I ground a lot of scale off. That way I lost a lot of material, and that didn't work because we had a stick welded together with the billet of steel, but that broke off the whole time. It broke off several times. We welded it back together, tried it again, used a chisel to split it in two and fold it over. But when we tried to fold it over, the stick broke off again, and we decided to do it cold. So we did it cold, we ground off all the scale, put it back together, welded a stick together, and then I twisted it in the vise. At the moment we start forging it flat again, there was a crack in the middle of the twist, and that told me that the second forge weld wasn't welded together very nice. I decided to stop forging because I didn't want any more stress put into this piece of steel. I want to make something out of it. I don't know what yet. I will put it here in the vise, start grinding on it, and I'll see what I can make of it. So yeah, enjoy the video. It's not a knife this time, but yes, still something made from forged damascus. We made it all by hand. Cost a lot of time, and I don't want to throw it away. Failure, it's all part of the game.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out. This is how we do